Pollsters, don't believe these pollsters. They are sponsored. They can't even give me my 1 point. They are discriminatory. Even in school, even if you got 1%, it was written 1%. Why are they not showing even if I have 1%? I know I am ahead. They'll be surprised on 10th and 11th when things are announced, because Wakenya wanasema we need a new broom. Safari hii lazima tubadilishe kabisa. We in Agano, and I as a presidential candidate, I am confident. IEBC has been giving regular press briefs. It's explaining what's happening. But you see, the other people who have misused IEBC in the past, they are the ones who are trying to bring confusion. But IEBC, I make a call to IEBC, keep focused. Kenyans pray for IEBC. We must have an election on 9th. Kenyans want to change. We have confidence.